Hey everybody, we're in Warrenville today and we're just cleaning up this roof replacement project that we just wrapped up. And on this project we had to replace all the plywood. It was having buckling in a few areas, and one of the reasons for that was a lack of attic ventilation. And so this is a ranch style home. It works great to do gable vents. These are about the largest gable vents that you can buy without going custom. So now this attic is going to be much better ventilated. It's going to be a lot cooler in the summer times. And with all the plywood we replaced, you can kind of see it there in our dump trailer. We installed 5/8 plywood, so much more solid roof deck. And we installed what are called plywood clips because this does allow for the expansion and contraction of the roof decking, which is normal in an attic because of the cold in the winter and the hot in the summer. The shingles we installed are Owens Corning TruDefinition Duration shingles in the Driftwood color. Driftwood is one of my favorite colors if your house has brown or tans in it. It just really modernizes this house. If you have any questions or like a free estimate or inspection, feel free to contact us at the information below. This is Josh Shingles with Lifetime Exteriors, and I'll see you on the next video.